Stop trying to play me, bro. This shit weird, bitch. I swear to God, you fucking know. I'm gonna fucking it. I'm gonna fucking it. She's fucking it. Bitch, I'm gonna get it. I get it. I'm fucking it. Bitch, I'm fucking it. Bitch, I'm fucking it. I'm fucking it. Bitch, you fucking it. I'm fucking it. When I got it, I'm fucking it. I'm fucking it. The guy that chased the whole world is a bitch. I swear to God, fucking it. I'm fucking it. Bitch, I swear to God, fucking it. Stop trying to grab me, bitch. You fucking fucking. You hurry. You tell me that, bitch. I swear to God, you get it. I'm gonna fucking it. You're fucking trash, bro. You fucking shit, but you're trash, bro. I'm gonna say the week ass of you fucking after anywhere in America, bitch. I swear to God, fucking I'm some big ass bitch, right? You nasty ass. Stupid bitch. I swear to God, stop it. I'm not gonna stop anytime soon. No, I'm gonna play a shot for you. This is freedom America. Stupid bitch. I swear to God, I'm not gonna say that bitch. You fucking play my baby Jordan, fucking 420 looking ass bitch. I swear to God, fucking the bitch. I swear to God, you don't for that show, shit. Such a weak ass. You fucking look at it, fucking police guy with no eyeballs. Such a weak ass. I swear to God, fucking ass to do other shit. Look at the weak ass. Stupid bitch. I suck the shit.
Yo,
Kilo, my king. You got muted. Oh shit, I'm loud as well. I'm sorry. Let me turn my mic down. I did not realize. My bad.
bro.
My bad.
Fuck up. Get
God damn. You got a bitch, nigga. You got a bitch.
Now we got touch this guy.
You got a bitch. You got a bitch.
Everyone,
You got a bitch.
bro, left server. Absolute cinema.
He's a bitch. You got a bitch.
What the fuck was this about?
He's a
I really
bitch.
don't understand the reality or the concept of this existence. I need to go back in time and find out whoever fucking created this loud mic and packing shit. Like, I think the earth would have been a much better place.
If you want me to teach you how to get loud, I can teach you how to get loud.
You know you made it?
I don't think there's any necessary need for getting loud.
I am not loud. I am speaking my language.
The only
my
reason people want to get loud is because they want to get attention. That's it, really. That's the point of loudness. Don't you realize?
Come here, pull up, buddy. You want to get some smoke? You want all the smokes? Do you want all the smokes?
I want to smoke your dick.
Bro, what the fuck is going on?
Boy. Now shut the fuck up. Shut up for daddy. Good boy. Good boy.
Bro.
Hey, you went on mute. That's how you do it.
Evolution
That's how you go on hush. That's how you get in on hush mode, nigga.
Evolution is going in reverse.
No shit. I can tell, nigga.
Who is 8DWE motherfucking E? Oh
fuck, I'm sexually attracted to men.
Oh my gosh.